name is Tabassum Bahadur Jagrani.
My name is Hosh Bahadur Jagrani.
My name is Bahadur Jagrani.
आज हम आपको कानून शहादत लॉ ऑफ एविडेंस जिसको सबूत का कानून कहा जाता है उसके 1 से लेकर 166 आपको आर्टिकल्स बताएंगे।
और जो लॉ ऑफ एविडेंस है वो सिविल कोड और क्रिमिनल कोड में दोनों केसेस के नेचर में वो अप्लाई होता है। और इसके 3 पार्ट्स हैं, फैक्ट, प्रूफ, एविडेंस। एंड इसके आर्टिकल 1 to 166 है, तो हम सब आपको 1 से लेकर 166 तक आर्टिकल बताएंगे। आर्टिकल 1 शॉर्ट टाइटल एक्सटेंट इन कंसेंट।
आर्टिकल 2 इंटरप्रिटेशन।
Who may testify?
Article 4 Judge and Magistrate.
आर्टिकल 5 कम्युनिकेशंस ड्यूरिंग मैरिज।
Article 2 of the state.
Article 7 Official Communication.
आर्टिकल 8 इंफॉर्मेशन एज टू कमीशन ऑफ ऑफेंस।
Article 10. Article 9 to apply interpretation etc.
Article 11 Privilege not waived by volunteering evidence.
आर्टिकल 12 कॉन्फिडेंशियल कम्युनिकेशन विद लीगल एडवाइजर।
Article number 13 publication
Abo?
or document that they need of a party.
Article 14 Production of document which another person having possession could refuse to produce.
आर्टिकल 15 विटनेस नॉट एक्सक्यूज फ्रॉम आंसरिंग ऑन ग्राउंड दैट आंसर विल टर्मिनेट।
Article 16 accompanance.
Article 17 Competence and number of witnesses.
आर्टिकल 18 एविडेंस मे बी गिवन फैक्ट एंड इशू ऑफ रेलेवेंट फैक्ट।
Article number 19 or same part again.
Article 21 Motive, preparation or previous subsequent conduct.
आर्टिकल 22 facts necessary to explain or introduce relevant facts.
Article 23 Things that ordained by conspirator in reference to common design.
Article 24 when facts not otherwise relevant become relevant.
Article 25 in suits for damages to enable court to determine amount are relevant.
Article 26 facts relevant when right or custom is in question.
Article 27 fact showing existence or mind or bodily feelings.
Article 28 exercise of court whether act was effects bearing on question whether act was accidental or intentional.
Article 29 existence of course of witnesses when relevant.
Article 30 admission defined.
Article 31 admission by party to proceeding or is agent etc.
Article 32 admission of person whose position must be proved as against party to suit.
Article 33 admission by accessory referred to by party to suit.
Article 34 when or proof of admission making them or on their behalf.
Or Article 35 when oral admission as to contents of document when relevant.
Article 36 admission in civil cases when relevant.
Article 37 confusion caused by inducement, threat or promise when irrelevant in criminal proceedings.
Article 38 confession to police officer not to be proved.
Article 39 conclusion by accused while in custody of police not to be proved against him.
Article 40 how much of information received from accused may be proved.
Article 41 conclusion made after a mode of impression caused by inducement, threat or promise relevant.
Article 42 confession or not otherwise relevant become irrelevant because of promise of secrecy etc is relevant.
Article 43 consideration of proved confession affecting person making it and others jointly under trial for same offence.
Article 44 accused person to be liable to cross examination.
Article 45 admission not conclusive proof but messed up.
Article 46 cases in which a statement of fact by person who is dead or cannot be found etc is relevant.
Article 47 relevancy in certain evidence for proving in subsequent proceeding the truth therein stated.
Article 48 entries in books of accounts when relevant.
Article 49 relevancy of entry in public record made in performance of duty.
Article 50 relevancy of statement of books math charts.
Article 51 Article 51, relevancy of statement, fact of public nature. Fact of public nature, content in certain acts of notification.
Article 52, relevancy of statement has to any law contained in law books.
Article 53, what evidence to be given when statement form part of a conversation, book or series, letter or paper.
Article 54, previous judgment to bar a second suit or trial.
Article 55, relevancy in certain judgment to in probatory jurisdiction.
Article 56, relevancy and effect order decrees other than those mentioned in Article 55.
Article 57, judgment etc. other than those mentioned in Article 54 to 56 relevant.
Article 58, fraud or collusion in obtaining judgment in competency court may be proved.
Article 59, opinion of experts.
Article 60, facts bearing upon opinion of experts.
Article 61, opinion as to handwriting when relevant.
Article 62, opinion has to write or exercise when relevant.
Article 63, opinion as to judice, tenet, etc. when relevant.
Article 64, opinion has to relationship when relevant.
Article 65, grounds of opinion when relevant.
Article 66, in civil cases, character imputed irrelevant.
Article 68, in criminal cases, previous good character relevant.
Article 68, previous bad character not relevant except in reply.
Article 69, character as affecting damages.
Article 70, proof of fact by oral evidence.
Article 71, oral evidence must be direct.
Article 72, proof of contents of document.
Article 73, primary evidence.
Article 74, secondary evidence.
Article 75, proof of document by primary evidence.
Article 76, cases in which secondary evidence relating to document court may be proved.
Article 77, rules as to notice to produce.
Article 78, proof of electronic signature and electronic writing.
Document.
Electronic
Article
documents.
79, proof of the execution of document required by law to be tested.
Article 80, proof where no attesting witness found.
Article 81, admission by party to proceeding by law to be tested.
Article 82, proof where attesting witness denies the execution.
Article 83, proof of document not required by law to be tested.
Article 84, comparison or signature, writing or seal, other admitted or proved.
Article 85, public document.
Article 86, private document.
Article 86, certified copies of document by public document.
Article 88, proof of document production to certified copies.
Article 89, proof of other public document.
Article 90, presumption has to genuineness to certified copies.
Article 91, presumption as to document to record of to produce as record of evidence.
Article 92, presumption has to genuineness kept under any law.
Article 93, presumption as to genuineness presumption as to genuineness starts made by authority of government.
Article 94, presumption has to collection of laws and reports of decision.
Article 95, presumption as to power of attending.
Article 96, presumption has to foreign judicial records.
Article 97, presumption as to books, maps, charts.
Article 98, presumption has to telegraphic message.
Article 99, presumption as to the execution of document not produced. Article 100, certified copies of document 30 years.
Article 101, certified copies of document 30 years.
Article 102, evidence of terms of contract, grant and other dispersion of property reduced to form of document.
Article 103, evidence or exclusion of evidence of oral agreement.
Article 104, exclusion of evidence of document, exclusion of evidence against application of document to existing facts.
Article 105, evidence has to unmeaning in reference to existing facts.
Article 106, evidence has to Evidence to application of language which can apply to one of several persons.
Article 107. Evidence has two application. Evidence has two application of language to one of two sets of facts to neither which the whole correctly applies.
Article 108 evidence of document and meaning of eligible character etc.
Article 109. Who may give evidence of agreement varying terms of document.
Article 110 Saving of Provision Succession Act relating to wills.
Article 111. Facts judicially noticeable need not to be proved.
Article 114 Facts admitted need a fact of which court must act judicial.
113. Facts admitted need not to be proved.
Article 14 Estoppel.
Article 15. Estoppel of tenant of license of person in possession.
Article 16 Estoppel of scepter of will of exchange barrier of license.
Article 117. Burden of proof.
Article 118 on whom burden of proof lies.
Article 190. Burden of proof has to ownership.
Article 120 burden of proving that fact to be proved to make evidence admissible.
Article 121. Burden of proving that case of accused comes within exceptions.
Article 122 burden of proving fact especially with knowledge.
Article 123. Burden of proving of person who death of person known to have been alive within 30 years.
Article 124 burden of proving that person is alive who has not been had for 7 years.
Article 124. Article 125. Burden of proving has to relationship in the cases of relationship has to partners, landlord, tenants, and principal and agent.
Article 126 burden of proof as to ownership.
Article 127. Proof of good faith in transaction where one party is in relation of active confidence.
Article 128 barred during marriage consequences proof of legitimacy.
Article 129. Court may presume existence of certain facts.
Article 130 order of examination, order of production and examination of witnesses.
Article 131. Judge to decide as to admissibility of evidence.
Article 32 examination etc.
Article 133. Order of examination.
Article 134 cross-examination, call to produce a document.
Article 130. 5 witnesses to character.
Article 136 leading question.
Article 137. Leading question must not be asked.
Article 138 when leading question may be asked.
Article 139. Evidence as to matters in writing.
Article 140 cross-examination as to previous statement in writing.
Article 141. Question lawful in cross-examination.
Article 142 when witness to be compelled to answer.
Article 143. Court to decide when question shall be asked when witness to be compelled to answer.
Article 144 question not be asked without reasonable grounds.
Article 140. Article 145. 45. Procedure of court question being asked without reasonable ground.
Article 146 indecent and scandalous question.
Article 147. Procedure of court in cases of libel, slander, defamation, libel, and slander.
Article 149 exclusion of evidence.
148.
Article 148 question pertaining to himself or envy.
Article 149. Exclusion of evidence to contradict answer to question testing veracity.
Article 150 question by party to his own witnesses.
Article 151. Impeaching credit of witness.
Article 152 question pertaining to corroborate evidence of relevant fact admissible.
Article 153. Formal statement of witness. Statement of witness may be proved. Formal statement of witness may be proved to corroborate. Later testimony has to simple.
Article 154 what matters may be proved in connection with proved relevant Under Article 46 or 47.
Article 155, refreshing memory.
Article 156, testimony to facts stated in document mentioned in Article 155.
Article 157, right of adverse, right of adverse of writing has
As
to
to writing,
has
use
to
refresh
writing
memory.
right of adverse used to writing has to refresh memory.
Article 150, production of document.
Article 159, giving has evidence of document. Article 1 giving has evidence of document.
For call.
For call and produce on notice.
Article 160, using as evidence of document of which was refused to notice.
Article 161, judge power to put question or order production.
Article 162, no trial for improper admission or rejection of evidence.
Article 163, acceptance or denial of claim note.
Article 164, production of document becomes available because modern devices or information system etc.
Article 165, order to override other laws.
Article 166, repeal. The end.
So
Now I conclude that जो कानून शहादत होता है वो जिसको लॉ ऑफ एविडेंस कहता है वो सिविल या क्रिमिनल नेचर दोनों केसेस में अप्लाई होता है। और जब हम कोर्ट जाएंगे और कोर्ट में देखेंगे तो हमें ये पता चल जाएगा कि ये कहाँ का एनालाइज होता है। और और इसकी नॉलेज के बगैर हम कोई केसेस नहीं कर सकते।
और इसके बगैर कॉन्शियस के बगैर हम जो हमें आर्टिकल जो बताए हैं जो अटेंड द कोर्ट जो हम जाएंगे कोर्ट टू सी हम कोर्ट को देखेंगे जो हम क्रॉस एग्जाम की बोर्ड होगा तो हम इजी तरीके से इसको अप्लाई कर सकेंगे।
thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच।
My name is Misha. आज मैं हाफिज आई हूँ। मुंबई बहन ये मेरी आपी बहुत बात है। हम आज हाफिज आए हैं। मैं लेटर चलाती कानून शहादत पढ़े हैं 1 से 36 तक पढ़े हैं।
आप क्या कहते हो सोर्सेस ऑफ अच्छा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आप अकाउंटिंग सोर्स ऑफ फाइनेंस टैक्स ऑडिट बताएंगे?
Yes.
बताएं and I appreciate this and we will continue. We take a break now and inshallah we will continue.